Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of industries, discussing 11 sectors that are on the brink of transformation or even facing potential obsolescence. Let's explore the reasons behind these changes and how they might shape our future. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Number 11, movie theaters. One of the most significant threats to movie theaters is the explosive growth of streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney+. Here's why they pose such a challenge. Convenience. Streaming services allow viewers to watch movies and TV shows from the comfort of their homes. There's no need to drive to a theater or worry about showtimes. Cost-effectiveness. For the price of a single movie theater ticket, you can subscribe to a streaming service for a month and access a vast library of content. Content diversity. Streaming platforms offer a wide range of content, from original movies to classic films, catering to a broader audience. The advancement of home theater technology has made it increasingly attractive for people to stay home for their cinematic experiences. Here's why. Affordability. High-definition TVs, sound systems, and streaming devices have become more affordable, allowing consumers to create impressive home theaters. Comfort and convenience. Home theaters offer a level of comfort and convenience that's hard to match in a traditional cinema setting. You can pause, rewind, or watch movies in your pajamas. Changes in how movie studios release their films have also impacted theaters negatively. Here's how. Simultaneous releases. Some studios have experimented with releasing films simultaneously in theaters and on streaming platforms, cutting into the exclusive draw of theaters. Studios have reduced the time films spend exclusively in theaters before being available for home viewing. This limits the theater's potential revenue. Studios focus on blockbusters. Studios are increasingly focusing on big-budget blockbusters, leaving fewer mid-range budget films that traditionally thrived in theaters. Lastly, the COVID-19 pandemic has dealt a severe blow to movie theaters. Here's why it's a significant challenge. Closures and capacity limits. Lockdowns and restrictions forced many theaters to close their doors temporarily. Even after reopening, they faced capacity limits that consumer behavior shift. The pandemic accelerated the shift towards streaming as people sought entertainment while staying home. Number 10, education. Online learning and edtech are reshaping the way we acquire knowledge. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this shift, raising questions about the future of physical schools. Number 9, agriculture. Agriculture is another sector undergoing a digital revolution. Precision farming, drones, and AI-driven crop management are improving yields and sustainability, but they may replace some manual labor. Agriculture is becoming more automated and data-driven. Smart farming technologies are improving crop yields and reducing the need for manual labor. This shift requires a new breed of agriculture professionals who can manage and optimize these high-tech farming systems. Number 8. Content creation. Content creation has exploded with platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and social media. User-generated content is challenging traditional media, transforming how we consume information and entertainment. Content creation is evolving as well. The rise of AI-generated content and influencer marketing is reshaping the way we consume information and entertainment. Traditional content creators may need to adapt, while AI developers and digital marketers will be in high demand. Number 7, legal. Now, let's delve into the legal sector. AI-powered legal research and contract analysis are increasing efficiency. While this streamlines processes, it might also reduce the need for junior lawyers. Banking and finance. In banking and finance, fintech companies are disrupting traditional institutions. Digital payments, blockchain, and robo-advisors are redefining how we manage our finances. Banking and finance are no longer confined to physical branches. Fintech companies are disrupting the industry with digital solutions, making transactions faster and more accessible. While this might reduce the need for traditional bank tellers, it creates a demand for software engineers, cybersecurity experts, and financial analysts in the digital space. Moving on to retail. E-commerce giants have transformed the way we shop with convenience and customization at the forefront. Traditional brick-and-mortar stores are facing stiff competition. This shift presents an opportunity for web developers, digital marketers, and e-commerce specialists as businesses seek to establish a robust online presence. The customer experience will be frictionless, personalization, and convenience will drive purchasing. Advanced payments will take over the industry. Automation will aid or replace workers, and lifestyle choices will reshape the retail landscape. 4. Healthcare. In the realm of healthcare, telemedicine and AI-powered diagnostics are changing the game. This means better healthcare access for all, but also potential job shifts from traditional healthcare roles to tech-related positions. Health is likely to revolve around sustaining well-being rather than responding to illness. 20 years from now, cancer and diabetes could join polio as defeated diseases. Number 3, transportation and logistics. Now, let's talk about transportation and logistics. Self-driving vehicles and drone delivery systems are revolutionizing this sector. They promise safety, cost-effectiveness, and reduced human error. But they also pose threats to jobs in the industry. Number 2, customer service. With advancements in AI and chatbots, companies are replacing human agents with automated systems. While it's more efficient, it also raises concerns about job displacement. Number 1, manufacturing. Once the backbone of economies, this industry is changing dramatically. The rise of automation robotics in their operations today, the convergence of these new technologies will change drastically the manufacturing enterprise. And 3D printing is reducing the need for manual labor, making production faster, cheaper, and more efficient, which will lead to allowing robots to perform tedious tasks, and the industry shifts away from its more risky and harmful work, to instead providing an opportunity for more people to become highly skilled at operating and programming machinery and technology. So there you have it, 11 industries facing significant changes, from manufacturing to education. While these transformations offer immense benefits in terms of efficiency and convenience, they also pose challenges such as job displacement and the need for retraining. The future is undoubtedly exciting, but it's crucial for individuals and societies to adapt to these changes. What do you think about these industry shifts? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video if you found it informative. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.